turn it separate, this first half and second half. So this is the first moment. The hips should go up to your arm, like close as possible. Second part is twist. So second, it's most easy part if you already feel how to stay in the flag. So how to stay in the flag? You just need to get to the flag from your pike position, from upside down pike position. So just stay in the flag and feel it. So feel how you hold yourself, what muscles hold you. So just stay there like as long as you can, like 10-15 seconds. If you will feel flag, if you will feel first movement, how to lift your hips close to your arm, then this twist, you just will twist your hips and easy will get there.